Okay, so I'm gonna be showing off the tool script in Godot. And basically what you can do with it is I have a hit flash component here, and in the editor you can hit the button here, hit flash, and you will see in the preview in the editor that it flashes, so you don't have to run the game to try it out. And you can actually get all of this if you go to forgames.se and go to open source and you go to the template, and then you can download the template and you can get this scene. But I'm gonna make a new scene, and I'm gonna make this, doesn't really matter, I'm gonna make it a 3D scene, and I'm gonna add a script. And I'm just gonna call it tool, since that's what we're working with. You can call it what you want. And let's see, go to the hit flash, and what you want to do to add a tool button is first the script needs to be a tool script. So at the top we can add @tool, and we have to restart the, oh, we didn't actually have to restart. A long time ago you had to restart, but now you see the script turn blue, so that means it's a tool script. And now we can add the tool button. So let's see, @tool button, and then text string, so that's what it's gonna show up in the inspector. We can call it, it might need parentheses or these, let's call it button, it doesn't really matter. And then let's see, icon callable. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this straight off so I don't have to type it. Let's see, it might need to have callable because it calls a function. And let's see what it says, callable built-in methods and a lot of function. I'm almost certain that you need it to have callable in the second slot right here. And then let's see, I'm just gonna copy the rest of this and paste it right here. So hit flash button equals hit flash, so it equals the method, so we need to make a method. I'm gonna rename this to something else, or I guess it can just be called this. So we make a custom function, func hit flash, and then we can, let's see, how does that function in Godot work? It's like this, and I'm just gonna do print low, and that might be enough. Let's see, did it expect anything special in the function? No, it should not expect anything. And the script is attached. Okay, so now we go to the node 3D, and in the inspector we now have hit flash. And if I go into the, since this isn't even a hit flash, it won't do anything special. But if I clear the output, it should print here, error null callable was expected, the value of hit flash button. It shouldn't be expecting a value, but you can clearly see that it's doing something. So it's calling this method. For some reason it's giving me an error, but you can basically see the power of it. I'm a little bit interested in seeing why it's not working, but I also can't be bothered. But you saw with the ready-made one that you can get on the GitHub. This is what it does, and you see that it tries to do that on this one. So that's what I want to show off. And if you want to support me, the only way is by clicking the join button and becoming a member. Other than that, I'm gonna peace out, and let's see if we can get a cool effect, and that's it.